Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Today we're doing jambalaya. You'll start by slicing 2 andouille sausages. This is also my first time making jambalaya, so we're learning a recipe together. Next, you'll cut up your chicken thighs where they're roughly the same size as your slices of andouille sausage. Next, you'll slice up shrimp. We have a pound of shrimp here, and we're going to try to make them roughly the same size as the sausage and chicken. Next, you'll slice up your vegetables. We have 1 green bell pepper, 1/2 of a white onion, and 3 stalks of celery. This is known as the Holy Trinity for Cajun food. You'll then dice up 1 tomato. You'll then get a pan on medium heat, add oil of your choice. I'm using avocado oil. Add your sausage and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until it's done. Remove your sausage and add to a bowl, then cook your chicken in the same pan until it's done. Then you'll add your shrimp to the pan, cook until they turn pink, and that means they're done. You'll add them to the same bowl. Here you'll see me use a paper towel to remove excess moisture that's caused by cooking the shrimp. Then you'll add your tomatoes to the pan and saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are in a separate bowl, removed from the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil in your Holy Trinity to the pan. Saute over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until your vegetables have changed colors. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic or 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, which is the conversion between the two, if you're using pre-minced garlic. After sauteing that for a minute, you'll add your tomatoes back into the pan. Off camera, I added 3 teaspoons, which equals 1 tablespoon, of Andouille Sausage's Creole seasoning to the bowl with the meat in it. Add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. After adding the Worcestershire sauce, you'll add your meat back to the pan and cook for a couple minutes. After this is cooked for a couple minutes with all the ingredients incorporated, you'll add 1.5 cups of long grain rice. You'll then add 6 cups of chicken stock, stir to combine all the ingredients. Cover and simmer until the liquid has been absorbed, stirring occasionally. Alright, since a majority of the liquid has been absorbed, our jambalaya is done. Please like and subscribe.